guys, today we're going to make an easy warm breakfast. I'm going to start by using these croissants and adding ham and cheese. Now let's unravel it. We're going to start by unrolling it. Now we're going to pull it apart. Now that we have them in triangles, let's put the cheese and ham. After you're done with the triangles, make sure to put the cheese and the ham on the fat part so when you roll it, it doesn't fall out. This is my favorite breakfast on the weekend because I can help and pop them in the oven. I was thinking, I put ham and cheese, but you can put whatever you want. I like to sprinkle a little bit of cheese on them for extra flavor. These look delicious. If you want any other puff pastry ideas, just check out my channel, like and subscribe, and watch my next video.